So in this video I will show you how to make a bouncy beat, and in LMMS there's no bouncy beat, so the best way is to add tap pitch shifter, and so we'll go with tap pitch shifter. It's here. And how to add it in LMMS, so I'm gonna show you guys how to add it. Now you have to go to search add effects, which is just down below, and then search for tap 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 tap. Wait, no, I won't search for tap. You can also search for just pitch. It will give you more fast. And tap first. Tap. Yeah, I've added it. So, guys, here we go with the tap pitch shifter, and it just looks like this. And you just need kind of like a semitone shift. You need to adjust the semitone shift. I've adjusted it. Now the semitone shift will look like this. Now you have to bring to automation rack. So we have added the automation. What's this? Okay, we have added the automation. Now what we have to remember, just we have to go with like top to bottom, like just move the semitones from for my 1.41 like that, so minus 1.41 and 1.41, so it will give the bounciness. And we have to constantly do this, like keep this on going on and on with our beat, so we'll give the kind of a bounciness. How to make a bouncy beat in LMMS. So guys, that's it. So let's make a beat. So this is the without effect beat, and so I will add the with effect. This is with the effect. So it adds the kind of a bounciness. So like my video.